Hi Aaron, it's Dave Lovelace. I just wanted to send you a personal video testimony instead of something just written down, just to show you the excitement I have for this site. I'm really blown away by what you're providing, and I can tell you that I have seen the others. Okay, I make a good portion of income online from purchasing licenses from resale rights products. You know, there are others that offer that service. I can tell you right now, hands down, you are the diamond among the rough. There's a lot of rough out there, let me tell you. I found your site by accident, actually, the first time I saw it, and I thought, who is this guy? What is he giving us here? And I just couldn't believe. It's one of those things that made me say, this is too good to be true. And sometimes when you say that to yourself, you find yourself going away because you doubt what you're seeing, because no one else is doing what you're doing. I mean, you're really delivering so much more value than anybody else on the marketplace right now for resale rights. You are saving me so much time. When time is money, you're making me money if that's the case, because I used to spend so much time having to set up these sites, link them together before I ever get them uploaded. In fact, I didn't realize you were doing this until I actually downloaded, the first product, where you have linked and structured all the files together for us. The way I download it is the way I can upload it and be done. There's no extra work involved. I couldn't believe that, because normally, sometimes when I buy resale rights products, I don't even get a download page, so much as a download page. But the quality of your design, not only the sales page and the graphics, but the download page, you give us an affiliate page. Who does that? I mean, you're making money by giving me those tools, because now I can get affiliates who are also looking for quality products to promote, set it up in my affiliate program, and the tools are there, instantly done. There's no extra work. I don't have to spend hours putting it together. Here's the other thing. I can spend an hour maybe writing an email or a solo ad or something from my autoresponder series that promote the product. You're giving me that. I couldn't believe that. Nobody does this. Nobody does this. So you're saving me hours of time and giving me the highest quality products on the marketplace right now that I can sell in the internet marketing niche. So listen, I'll leave it at that. I don't want to go too long, but I just wanted to send this personal testimony via video to let you know how excited and pleased and satisfied I am about this service. Absolutely the best resale rights service in the market. I highly recommend it.
Please click the link in the description to see official site and access Super Sales Machine System for free.